Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I got these super cute Christmas themed nails using the BT Art Box 3-in-1 soft gel nail system. And y'all, so this is like my fourth video or fourth time putting on these press-on nails, and as you guys can see, I still have a lot in the box, so it's definitely worth the price point. It's a little bit pricey compared to regular press-on nails, but they look like no other, y'all. These can go for acrylics real fast. Like people would not know that these are press-on nails if you put them on properly. So the first thing that I do is clean my nail bed, prep it as I regularly do, and then I go in with base coat. And I know it looks like I'm wiping the nail a lot. It's because I put a really thin layer of the base coat on my nails. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is cure my nails. So this is a step that I feel like you have to take so that the nails can properly adhere and last. So I do my primer, I do my bonder, then I do base coat. But it's optional, but I'm just telling you guys what I do so that I can keep the nails on for as long as I need them. So I usually keep it on for about 2 to 3 weeks, but one time I did it, it stayed on for a whole month. But being that I do my nails a lot for videos and I have a lot of recordings coming up, I just keep it on for about 2 weeks. So right here, I'm just going in and sizing the nails to my nail bed. And you want to make sure you do this before you apply anything to the nails so that you don't have any debris or dust or anything. But this video is just, to show you guys how I do what I do. So yeah, I'm just sizing them. And what I like about these, y'all, and this is my honest truth, these have a wide variety of sizes. If you do have a wide nail plate or a slim one, you can definitely shape it to your nail plate or nail bed, and it's gonna work out for you. So I'm just going in and just sizing it and seeing which one is gonna best fit my nails, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. So yeah. All right, y'all. So this is a very important step. If you skip through this video, make sure you pay attention to this part. You want to make sure you shape the cuticle area of this nail. This is what's going to give you like that seamless look. This is what's going to make it not look like press-ons. So you want to lightly go in with your hand file and just round off that cuticle area, remove the squareness from it, because this is what's going to cause it to look really artificial. As you guys can see, I'm shaping it and then placing it, but I'm going to pause it here a little bit, and as you guys can see, that looks very straight across and square. You don't want that. You want it to look natural. So you're going to go on both sides and lightly just file it, round it off a little bit lightly, and then you're going to go to the other side and do the same thing, lightly round it off, and then you're going to put it onto your nail bed. And as you guys can see, that looks way more natural, and you can customize it to your liking, but be sure not to overdo it, because then you'll just file it way too much and then it's going to look crazy. So do it little by little. I kind of know how I want it to look, so I just go in little by little and then shape each of them before pressing it on. So now I'm going in with the Betty Cora 8-in-1 nail glue gel, and it has 8 different uses. They sent me over this and they're on Amazon, y'all. I really, really like this bottle, y'all. I want some more because it's really good. So what I do is apply, a good amount towards the cuticle area of the nail, and then I go ahead and put it at an angle and push it down basically until the gel spreads to my free edge of my natural nail, and then I go ahead and cure that. Doing it this way, y'all, it stays on my nails for about 2 to 3 weeks. I have no lifting, it's sturdy, it doesn't cause me any pain or discomfort. And speaking of the glue, y'all, initially when you guys seen that first video that I uploaded about the BT Art Box, I had purchased the nail glue that Amazon recommended, and it was like in a tube. So when I applied it, it adhered to my nail, but it was very irritating. It burned and it didn't have any instructions, so I didn't know if it was for me to apply the press on nails or if it was for gems or whatever the case may be. But it said 28-day plus, so I'm assuming that it's for you to adhere the nails and it'll stay for 28 days, but it just didn't do well for me. And other people commented that it made their nails burn as well. Amazon recommended that we purchased it, but that's the only thing that I could say that I purchased from BT Art Box that I was like, no, I'm not doing that again. But they had commented, y'all. But before I get on that, this part, y'all, is very important. Also, I go in with a fine bit and I'm gonna go around my cuticle area just to get any excess nail glue or anything off the cuticle just so that the nails can look really nice. This is also what helps it look really natural and like acrylic. So you want to go in and do this to your cuticle area, and you want to make sure you do this on a very low speed. You don't want to cut yourself or burn your cuticle, causing yourself to bleed or anything. So I use about 5 to 6 RPM, and then I go over lightly and gently just to get any extra excess glue or whatever off my cuticle. And you can also work on your cuticle at this time, but be very careful with this kind of bit because it's not a safety bit. So yeah, and as you guys can see on this finger, you can see all of that excess gel that flooded. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just clean that out and flush the nail. But back to the glue conversation. So BT Artbox commented on my video, and you know, I kept it real. I don't lie on my videos. If I use something and it doesn't do well by me, I'm gonna let you guys know so that you guys don't purchase it. They commented, and I don't know if they felt some type of way because I was like, y'all can send me some free products, but they never wrote me back. But it is what it is. When I buy stuff, it is what it is. I don't care. If I like the product, I'm gonna continue buying it. And I swear by these press-on nails. I absolutely love them, so I'm gonna continue purchasing them. But yeah, it is what it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue doing the same thing, cleaning off my cuticles, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some acetone and a flat brush, and what you wanna do is just dip the brush into the acetone and then you're gonna apply it to that cuticle area. This is gonna sort of melt the nail in a way, but not too much where it's gonna lift, but just it's gonna fuse everything together. I can't explain it. All I know is it's gonna look really flush, and this is a step that you don't want to skip. So I do this every time I apply them. I just go around the cuticle, put a nice amount on there, and then it dries up, and I feel like this just makes it adhere really well. So now I'm gonna go in with these nail charms that I got from Shein, and I paid like $2 or $3 for these, and they are so cute. So I'm gonna just apply some nail gel to my nails and then apply the gems, and that's pretty much gonna be it. This was really simple to do. Anybody could do it, and it's super duper affordable. I know y'all trying to save some money for Christmas and stuff, so this is my go-to, and I feel like you can do this at any time of the year. These French nails are it. So I decided to pick these two, this little candy cane and the Christmas tree. So I just went ahead and applied it to the nail and then cured it. And then I'm going to do the same thing, apply the nail gel and put the nail charm on. After I place it, you want to make sure you look at the nail. You want to pick it up from the surface that you're laying your hand on, look at it directly, face to face, and then see whatever, alterations or adjusting you have to do. And that's pretty much it. So after adjusting it and looking at it, I'm going to go ahead and move it and place it to where I want it to go. And then we're going to move on, y'all. This is very, very simple. You just want to be sure you place it properly because it could look a mess really quick. So while you're placing it down, pick up your hand, look at it, tweak it, fix it, and then cure. And this is what I'm using, y'all, the Betty cord, to make sure all of them are adhered properly. So originally I was gonna go in with this little Rudolph. Then I was looking at it and I was like, I don't know. And I feel like this bow just did what it had to do. Like, let me know, should I have left the root off or the bow? I like the bow better. I feel like it ties it in better. It just makes my hand look like a festive, fun Christmas. The Rudolph, it wasn't nothing wrong with it. I just felt like the bow was just a better placement. And then I added this little cute jingle bells charm to my pinky. And as you guys can see, I'm just placing it properly, looking at it, making sure I like it. Now I'm going in and just filing that little piece that you know the press on nails have, just to make sure it's square over there, and you don't want to overdo it because you don't want to remove the white polish from the French. So I'm just lightly going in and just filing that off. Real simple, easy, 1 2 3. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil to the nails to bring everything together, and I absolutely love how they turned out. They were super cute. I was going to an ugly sweater party, so I decided to do these real quick. It took me about 10 minutes, so it should take y'all about like 15. It's really simple to do. But y'all, get these press-on nails. If you're trying to be on a budget and you still want your nails to look salon quality, I would highly recommend these. People would not know that you did these at home by yourself, especially adding little gems to it and customizing it. People won't know. You can go on Shein, get you some diamonds and stuff for like $2, $1, and really liven up the set. So these are them after about 2 weeks, and y'all, I wash dishes and do all of that, and they still look good. So definitely get you some. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.